Choosing the right loan car is a big decision for any family. It's not just about finding a vehicle. It's about finding the right fit for your unique needs and circumstances. You want a car that is safe, reliable, and fits your lifestyle. This means considering how often you'll use it, the distances you'll travel, and the types of roads you'll be driving on. A loan car is a temporary vehicle, so you need to make sure it meets your family's needs while you have it. Think about the duration you'll need the car and the specific features that will make your life easier during this period. Whether you're dealing with an insurance claim or your regular car is under repair, selecting the right loan car can make all the difference. It can ease the stress of an already challenging situation. There are many factors to consider when choosing a loan car. From the car's size and safety features to its fuel efficiency and ease of driving, each aspect plays a crucial role. Safety is paramount, ensuring the well-being of your loved ones. Look for cars with high safety ratings, advanced safety features like airbags, anti-lock brakes, and child seat anchors. Budget is crucial, as you need a car that aligns with your financial capabilities. Consider the rental costs, insurance, and any additional fees that might come with the loan car. Space is essential for accommodating your family members and their belongings comfortably. Think about the number of seats, trunk space, and overall interior room. Fuel efficiency is another important factor, as it directly impacts your running costs. A fuel-efficient car can save you money on gas and reduce your environmental footprint. Lastly, ease of driving plays a vital role, especially if multiple family members will be behind the wheel. Consider the car's handling, visibility, and comfort for all drivers. By carefully considering these factors, you can confidently choose the best loan car for your family's needs. A well-chosen loan car can provide peace of mind and convenience during a transitional period. Let's delve into each of these factors in detail to help you make an informed decision. Understanding your options thoroughly will ensure you select a loan car that truly meets your family's requirements. When it comes to your family, safety is non-negotiable. Choosing a loan car with top-notch safety features should be your top priority. Look for cars equipped with advanced safety technologies such as electronic stability control, anti-lock brakes, and multiple airbags. Stability control helps prevent rollovers and skids, keeping the car steady on slippery roads. Anti-lock brakes prevent wheel lockup during sudden stops, allowing you to maintain steering control. Airbags provide crucial cushioning in the event of a collision. Prioritizing these safety features can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and protect your loved ones. Remember, a safe car is a top priority when choosing a loan vehicle for your family. Loan cars often come with associated costs, so it's essential to factor these expenses into your budget. Determine how long you'll need the loan car and inquire about the rental rates. Consider fuel costs as well, as they can vary depending on the vehicle's fuel efficiency. Insurance coverage is another crucial aspect to factor in. Check your insurance policy or consult your provider to understand the extent of coverage provided for loan cars. It's also wise to inquire about any additional insurance options offered by the rental company. By carefully considering these financial aspects, you can choose a loan car that aligns with your budget and avoids any unexpected financial burdens. Families come in all shapes and sizes, and your loan car should comfortably accommodate everyone and everything you need to carry. Consider the number of family members who will be regularly using the car, as well as their heights and any special seating requirements. Think about the cargo space you'll need for luggage, groceries, sports equipment, or other belongings. If you frequently travel with young children, ensure the car has enough room for car seats and easy access to buckles and harnesses. A comfortable and spacious car can make all the difference in ensuring a pleasant journey for everyone, especially on longer trips. Section 5. Fuel efficiency, keeping your costs down. Fuel efficiency is an important consideration, especially if you'll be using the loan car frequently or for long distances. Opting for a fuel-efficient vehicle can help you save money on gas and reduce your environmental impact. Look for cars with good gas mileage ratings. Consider factors such as engine size, transmission type, and vehicle weight, as they can all influence fuel consumption. Smaller, more aerodynamic cars tend to be more fuel efficient than larger, heavier vehicles. By prioritizing fuel efficiency, you can minimize your fuel expenses and make your loan car experience more economical. Section 6. Ease of driving, navigating family life. When choosing a loan car, consider the ease of driving, especially if multiple family members will be behind the wheel. Familiarity with the car's features and driving dynamics can enhance safety and comfort. Look for cars with user-friendly controls, good visibility, and responsive handling. Features like parking sensors, rear-view cameras, and blind spot monitoring systems can make driving and maneuvering in tight spaces easier. Consider the car's turning radius, especially if you'll be navigating crowded city streets or narrow parking lots. A car that is easy to drive can make a significant difference in reducing stress and enhancing the overall driving experience for everyone. Section 7. Additional features. Entertainment and convenience. While safety, budget, space, fuel efficiency, and ease of driving are primary considerations, additional features can enhance your family's comfort and enjoyment during your loan car experience. Entertainment features like Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and auxiliary input jacks allow you to enjoy your favorite music and podcasts on the go. Consider features like cup holders, storage compartments, and power outlets, which can add convenience to your journeys. If you live in a hot climate, air conditioning is essential for a comfortable ride. These additional features, while not essential, can enhance your overall experience, especially on longer trips or when traveling with children. Section 8. Research and comparison. Finding the perfect fit. Before making a decision, take the time to research and compare different loan car options. Explore online resources, automotive publications, and manufacturer websites to gather information about various models. Pay attention to safety ratings, fuel economy figures, and customer reviews. Compare features, prices, and rental terms from different providers to find the best value for your money. Create a short list of cars that meet your family's needs and preferences, and then narrow down your choices based on your research. Thorough research and comparison will empower you to make an informed decision and select the perfect loan car for your family. Section 9. Test drives and inspections. A closer look. Once you've narrowed your choices, schedule test drives for the cars that pique your interest. This is a crucial step in the car selection process, as it allows you to get a real feel for the vehicle. A test drive allows you to experience the car firsthand and assess its comfort, handling, and features. Take note of how the car responds to different driving conditions and how it feels during acceleration and braking. Pay attention to the driving position, seat comfort, visibility, and noise levels. Adjust the seat and mirrors to ensure you have a clear view of the road and surroundings. Inspect the car's interior and exterior for any signs of damage or wear and tear. Look closely at the upholstery, dashboard, and other interior components for any imperfections. Check the tire condition, lights, and fluid levels. Ensure that the tires have sufficient tread and that the lights are functioning properly. Also, verify that all fluid levels are within the recommended range. If you have any concerns, don't hesitate to ask the rental company for clarification or to request a different vehicle. It's important to address any issues before finalizing your decision. A thorough test drive and inspection are crucial steps in ensuring that the loan car meets your expectations and is in good condition. Taking the time to carefully evaluate the car will help you make an informed decision and avoid any potential problems down the road. Section 10. Making the decision, your family, your choice. Choosing a loan car is a personal decision based on your family's unique needs and preferences. It's not just about finding a vehicle, it's about finding the right fit for your daily routines, weekend adventures, and everything in between. Consider the factors discussed above, prioritize what's most important to you, and make a decision that aligns with your family's lifestyle and budget. Think about the size of the car, fuel efficiency, safety features, and even the color that everyone loves. Remember to communicate openly with your family members, gather their input, and involve them in the decision-making process. This ensures that everyone feels heard and valued, making the final choice a collective one. Choosing a loan car that everyone feels comfortable and happy with can make all the difference in ensuring a positive experience. A car that meets everyone's expectations can turn every journey into a pleasant and enjoyable ride. Ultimately, the best loan car for you is the one that best meets your specific requirements and enhances your family's mobility during the time you need it. Whether it's for a short-term need or a longer period, the right car can make your life easier and more convenient. Section 11. Conclusion. Enjoy the ride. Selecting the right loan car for your family requires careful consideration of various factors. By prioritizing safety, budgeting wisely, assessing space and comfort, considering fuel efficiency, and evaluating ease of driving, you can confidently choose a vehicle that meets your family's needs. Remember to conduct thorough research, compare options, and take test drives before making a final decision. With a little planning and careful consideration, you can find a loan car that ensures a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable driving experience for your entire family. Enjoy the open road and make the most of your time with your chosen loan car.